Signature table. The signature table holds the information that uniquely identifies a file signature. For more information regarding signatures, see Digital Signatures and Windows Installer. The signature table has the following columns. Columns signature. The signature column is a unique file signature. File name, the name of the file. Min version, the minimum version of the file, with a language comparison. If this field is specified, then the file must have a version that is at least equal to min version. Note the language specified in the languages column is used in the comparison, and there is no way to ignore language. If you want a file to meet the min version field requirement regardless of language, you must enter a value in the min version field that is 1 less than the actual value. For example, if the minimum version for the filter is 2026001183, use 2026001182 to find the file without matching the language information. Max version, the maximum version of the file. If this field is specified, then the file must have a version that is at most equal to max version. Min size, the minimum size of the file. If this field is specified, then the file under inspection must have a size that is at least equal to min size. This must be a non-negative number. Max is the maximum size of the file. If this field is specified, then the file under inspection must have a size that is at most equal to max's. This must be a non-negative number. Min date, the minimum modification date and time of the file. If this field is specified, then the file under inspection must have a modification date and time that is at least equal to min date. This must be a non-negative number. The format of this field is to pack 16-bit values of type Word. Max at the maximum creation date of the file. If this field is specified, then the file under inspection must have a creation date that is at most equal to max date. This must be a non-negative number. The format of this field is to pack 16-bit values of type Word. Language is the languages supported by the file. Remarks, this table is used with the app search table. The signature is searched for using the agglocator table, the interlocutor table, the chemplocator table, and the DRLOCATOR table. This table's columns are generally not localized. If an author decides to search for products in multiple languages, then there can be a separate entry included in the table for each language. The signature table generally follows the Windows Installer file versioning rules. Languages specified in the languages column of the signature table are not evaluated unless the file versions are equivalent. The languages column will ensure that a file is of a particular language if it is of the requested version. There is no method available to ignore the languages column. DRLOCATOR table. Signature parent path depth MSIDLL null. C. \Windows \System 32. NORDAB search table. Property signature MSIDLL signature table. Signature file name min version max version min size max is min date mixed languages MSIDLL MSI.dll 2026001106 null. 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 Naught is this case, and on Windows XP SP1, the app search action sets MSIDLL to C. \Windows \System 32 \MSI.dll, because MSI.dll is a language-neutral file. If the value of the language's colon is changed from 0 to 1033, then the app search action fails to find the matching MSI.dll and the MSIDLL property is undefined. You cannot use the signature table to query on languages alone. To search for different language versions of a file, you must have a separate entry in the signature table for each language version. If multiple languages are provided in the languages column, then the search is for a file that supports all of those languages. The format of MINDATE and MIXED columns are 2-packed 16-bit values of type word. Date word. Bits content 024. Day of the month. 528. Month 9215. Year offset from 1980. Time word. Bits content 024. Seconds divided by 2. 5 to 10. Minutes 11 to 15. How the formula for calculating the MINDATE and MIXED field values is 65,536 plus hours 2048 plus minutes 32 plus seconds /2. Validation ICE03 ICE06.